Okay. Sorry, I was running your video.
It's all right. What quadrant is this?
You're in QQ3.
QQ3. Cleaned up and ready.
Well, part of it is.